Okay, Mr. Arnold, I'll show you how to crank this CS-4910 Echo chainsaw. First thing we'll do, after we've got our chaps on, turn it on, switch up. Let me throw my glove on here real quick. Pull out the choke and pull it till it fires. Rest it in your leg right here. It fired. Push the choke back in. Same brake. Turn it off. Back on. Rock and roll. Make sure you keep both hands on the handle with your thumb wrapped around. A lot of people do like this. Just make sure your thumb stays wrapped around the handle. That way, in case there's a kickback, you'll have better control of the saw. When you tighten your chain, loosen these two, lift up on the tip of your bar, and tighten up with this screw and just until it comes in contact with the bottom of your bar, and just a tad more while holding up the tip of the bar. Tighten up the nuts. Normally what I do is I'll set it on something like that and I hold the bar up and I tighten them down. Pretty much it. It does have a decompression valve right here. You push in, make starting a little less torque when you start it. When it fires, that'll pop back out. So when it fires and you pop your choke back in, push that back in and start it, and it'll pop back out when it starts. Anyway, after it starts, let it warm up before you pull the trigger and start going. That's pretty much it. Boogity boogity, be careful, or chaps, ear protection, helmet, etc. Merry Christmas, come see us.